we're going to talk about this gluteus muscles. Every time we walk in one leg, trust me, every one of us, I see maybe two people, they come in and they be completely balanced. So we all the time lean from one side to another. Why? Because you've been injured, you've been like, I don't know, step on the nail, uh, dislocate your ankle, and your body, your brain shifted weights to one side. So what's happening is, oh, you're sitting this way, you're driving that way, whatever you do, homie. So the thing is that that hip starts shifting. So because everything is pulled. Now that muscle on that specifically the side, you've been standing constantly, start getting weaker that muscle, especially your gluteus muscles, and that nasty muscle up here when you do, and like just think about it, if I'm stay all the time, you see what happened with my hip? It's kind of pulling on the side, and this muscle become loaded. So it's right in here, that muscle. You're going to see this right on that image right there. Gluteus medius, nasty one, nasty muscle. So what we're doing here, usually we do work on that hip flexors and exercise. I'm going to show you how I work directly on that muscle. Let me put that spine away. There we go. So I'm not standing, for the camera, no, you're good. You're standing up here. I'm just show it to you. I found that muscle. It's tight already. You see, I'm just barely touch it. He said it's already tight. I always tell people to do, what's the called? Rolling. That's the best thing to release right away, but it's not going to treat it. The problem is because you're standing on this leg. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm come up here, find that gluteus medius. I'm apply forearm, because I'm lazy, remember? I'm like applying here. You see forearm, not the elbow, the forearm. And I kind of push him this direction. And I can put this arm down if my arm is too long. If not, I'm just start doing this. I'm just moving around and up and down very slowly. Very slowly. Apply 10 pounds pressure. Don't more than that. I always, before I go, I look at the face, my client face. If he's doing this, no good. So back up. Next one, after like minute of work, not like a minute, he started moving his knee. So show him what you're doing here. He started moving that knee. He started doing this, flex and extend completely, okay? And I'm in this moment, I can sit, I can stand up. You see, I'm loading my body. I load my whole weights. I'm not doing this. I'm not shrugging my shoulder. I'm doing this. This is what we're doing in our class. We teach you how to save your energy, to save your arms, to save your health, and provide great therapy, great skills, great techniques. Okay, next one, I want to open that hip. Remember, he's tilted. So what we're doing here, we grab that arm and look. I put it right in here, just above my belly. If I'm going to do just like that, it's not going to be very effective. What he's doing here, he pulled that knee towards his chest, the upper side. I'm going to show you. And what I'm doing here, from here, I can step. You see what I'm doing? I just move my butt. My left arm on that ilium, that it's even like more sacroilium, like that joins. The other one is on that quads, right there. You see that? So I'm pushing, and this is what I'm doing. I just step back, lean. You see what I'm doing? I'm like dancing. Move my butt, move my hip, shifted my hip.
It's hard for me.
Yeah, it's hard for him. So I'm just get that first level. Now I hold it and ask him to kick me with his leg. So keep kicking me. He kick. And let it go, relax. And I get a little bit more slack, very gently, nothing pushy, nothing like powerful, like those adjustments. Why we need to do that? No, we need to make sure the brain is gonna trust, because the pain is in your brain, it's just in that area. Okay, he's control it. Go ahead, show him, let's show him flip to the other side. I just show him on that side. So this is what he's doing. He's doing lower, you see, he's grab it, and I'm step up here, and look at that. This one is even worse.
Is it?
Yeah, look, I'm holding it here, this one on the top, and I'm sorry, yeah, it's actually a better one. Okay. I can get a little bit deeper. Okay. And this is what you're doing. Also apply, you can work on it. Sometimes even you grab those the Tarragon and you just work in a Tarragon. Do not work on that IT band because it's not a muscle. You're going to bruise that bone and people are not going to feel good. It feels good in the beginning, but later people come in and they're sore on that area. This is tendon. It's not a muscle. Here, yes. Tensor fascia latte, 595, grounded, downstairs. This is this is the muscle. So doing this exercise, if you guys roll it if you feel it. If your massage therapist work on that muscle, is really important to make that work. How make that work? You can do bands. You see, I can wrap around his knee like this. I can step inside. I can hold it and what he's doing here, he just started doing that. He's moving, and I'm holding it. You see, if this is look at that. I can do short. I can hold. Like I said, I can go around me. Watch. Around me, easy too. Come up here, one strap, go around. Hope I just hold it. Do I work hard? And this can reach that top. You see, I reach it. Now work. There we go. Yeah, I can control that band. Here we go. Look at that. How hard for him. I can feel that working. Yeah, I can attach and hold. There we go. Look at that. Yes, look at that. I can feel that. So all different technique you can apply to the table. You can use the short band. Short band is cool too. So that was that muscle activation and also work and mobilize. You can also mobilize that hip. So working on that gluteus minimus, nasty muscle. Okay, you guys have a good day. And next time we're going to teach you about another nasty muscle. Have a good day.